Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Instagram stories are not loading, begin by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if stories load properly. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Instagram, wait for a while. Swipe it away, wait for a while, then reopen it. After that, restart your device to refresh system processes. Then head over to your app store, search for Instagram, and update the Instagram app to the latest version. On Android, clearing the app's cache can also fix the loading issues. If the stories still do not appear, go to your profile icon, then click on the three-line option in the top left corner, or go to personal information settings, and then scroll down and go ahead and log out of your account. After logging out, log back in. If the issue continues, reinstall the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.